Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Ameen Academy. I am Muhammad Ali Hashmi, qualified senior mentor. This video is especially for PMS aspirants who are going to take this exam coming up next in a few months. After Alhamdulillah success of our CSS mocks, our guess was Alhamdulillah up to 80% very accurate, and what even we wrote in our magazine कम्स इन द पेपर, जैसे तस्किया नफ्स इसमें आया है, हमने लिखा था, और MCQs आई हैं. दीज MCQs आर आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर जनरल नॉलेज पेपर ऑफ PMS, इसलिए ये मैं बात यहाँ पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ. फर्दरमोर वी आर just going to start PMS mock exam session from 15th March onwards. It is up to 5 to 6 week session. इसमें extensive mocks हैं, half course mocks, full course mocks, as well as discussion. Special tips आपको दी जाएंगी on English as well as GK, how to crack it. This is very important. Students often ask this thing, how to deal with them, and this is what is being revealed in this particular session. तो इसी सिलसिले में जो है ये वीडियो है कि आप लोग PMS मॉक के लिए यहाँ पर जल्द से जल्द अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाएं ताकि आप इसका पार्ट हो, एंड यू कैन बी द नेक्स्ट AC. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ ACs फ्रॉम आवर इंस्टीट्यूट, मोर देन 50 in a few years span. So if you get good marks in your written, then you will be safe in your interview. This is a very important trick for PMS especially. Just join it and it will help you a lot. Thank you.